In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the welcome deal on Aliexpress. If you're seeing a welcome deal label on a product and it's getting in the way of stacking coupons, comparing shipping, or just checking out normally, there's a simple way to turn it off without digging through settings. This method works the same on the app and on the website, and it relies on how Aliexpress applies new user promotions. Start by finding the item that's currently marked as a welcome deal and add it to your cart. Don't use buy now for this, use add to cart so you can manage everything in one place. After it's in the cart, you'll usually see a tag or price banner indicating it's a welcome deal. That's your confirmation that the promotion is currently active on that item. Next, add another product to your cart. It can be any item, something you already plan to buy, a replacement part, or even a low-cost accessory. The key is simply having more than one item in your cart. The second item doesn't need to be from the same store, but keep it in the same cart session so both items appear together when you check out. This step matters because the welcome deal is designed to apply when you purchase a single qualifying item. As soon as your order includes an additional product, the promotion no longer meets the conditions. Now go to checkout from your cart. On the checkout page, look for the welcome deal badge or the special pricing on that first item. You should see that the label has disappeared and the price has switched back to the standard listing. When that happens, you can usually apply other coupons or seller discounts that were previously blocked by the welcome deal. If the prices don't refresh right away, give it a moment for the totals to update or briefly reopen the checkout page so it recalculates. Just make sure both items remain in your cart together while you're on the checkout screen. That's all there is to it. Add the welcome deal item, add any second product, and proceed to checkout. The welcome deal will automatically disappear. This quick workaround is handy when you want predictable pricing, combined discounts, or a cleaner checkout without the new user promotion getting in the way. Promotions can change from time to time, and eligibility rules may vary by market, so this behavior may look slightly different depending on your region. As a best practice, always review your order summary, shipping options, and any coupon lines before you pay to ensure everything is applied the way you expect.